Hi, I am Olawale Ogundeji, one of the data scientist intern at Leeds Institute for Data Analytics. The last 6 months have been very engaging and exciting, working on estimating the carbon footprint of food prepared and sold at the University of Leeds. The project is part of Data Scientist Development Program at Leeds Institute for Data Analytics and was conceived as part of the university pathway to net zero by 2030 and consequently create a fairer and more sustainable environment through research and collaborations. All thanks to Consumer Data Research Center, the University of Leeds Sustainability Service, and everybody at Leeds Institute for Data Analytics for giving me such a wonderful opportunity and provide funding and expertise for this project. The experience has been highly remarkable. It is undeniable that the climate crisis is one of the world's most significant challenges. To avert the crisis, we must do everything within our power to control carbon emissions and adopt sustainable practices. Everybody may not know, but it is a fact that food productions along its supply chains account for more than 25% of greenhouse gas emission, responsible for most global warming. This means our food choices have a significant impact on the environment. Therefore, to reduce the climate impact of food, there's a need to provide relevant information to the people to drive behavioral strategies that could lead to diet changes and promote food choices with low carbon emissions. This is the value and potential impact that my project is meant to deliver. One of the major findings of our study is that animal products have a higher carbon emission than plant-based products. For example, comparing a pork sausage to a vegan sausage roll of similar weight, pork sausage emission is 5 times than that of vegan sausage roll. That is huge difference. So the carbon footprint of food depends on the greenhouse gas emission factors of the individual ingredients derived from a meta-analysis of life cycle assessments of food products by considering all inputs used during food production. The choice of ingredients significantly influences the carbon footprint of food. We must continue to advocate for low carbon diet to help protect the environment.